Okay, here's our biking adventure. I gotta see where we're at. We're on the Shark Valley area of Everglades National Park. It's in Alligator Alley, and here we go. 15-mile trail. You got to yield to the tram. So if you don't want a bike, don't rent a bike. Oh, fish jumped. Oh, there's a big gar. Wow, this is going to be fun. See what this says here. Something about roller skates not allowed. No fishing, no pets, no roller skates, no skateboards. Wow, pretty cool. Looks like a good place for a bike ride. Howdy. Seen a gator swimming down here yesterday. Oh, there's a white bird. Hi, bird. Oh, I missed it. Oh, there's a turtle. Cool. Okay, we're on a wildlife viewing mission. Me and Crystal might just come back and hike this. It's only 15 miles. Wonder if I could do that today. Oh, there's a bird. What do we got here? Cormorant, fish eater. He's out fishing. Okay, what's this say? Bikes must yield, stop when tram approaches. So if you see a tram, we have to stop. Oh, there's another. Caution. Solution holes. Yep. Yep. So if we see a tram, we gotta stop. Another hiking trail. Oh, what do we got here? Howdy.
Oh, cool.
Oh man, little guys.